Hey folks, I have a really nice tenor ukulele to show you today. Just a really simple, solid instrument, and I'm really proud of it. The back and sides are cherry, and the customer asked for the top and back to be one piece and not a book match. And so I do have some wide boards of cherry that I could do this with, and she really liked this kind of like asymmetrical with a knot look to it, and I think it turned out great. Little rope herringbone end graft there. And so, with a knot like this, I usually just fill it. In this one I did that, but then I decided to put a little patch on the inside, and I put a little bean sprout patch, which, yeah, here you can see it. See that little leaf? It's probably double overkill, but I just thought it was a cool way to do that. And then the top is just one board of Sitka spruce across the top. This is some of the old Sitka spruce from British Columbia that our friend Craig milled. And then we've got a fir neck. It's a salvaged fir neck from old floorboards, so it's got little imperfections and marks to show that what it used to be. Walnut strip there. And then I chose some really dark pistachio for fretboard, headplate, and bridge, and it kind of matches the walnut trim. So it's just a simple design. And the customer wanted a 1.5 inch nut. And man, I've been playing it this week, and it's just crisp. There's good sustain and everything, but it's just a crisp sound. I really like it. Yeah, so it's got a K&K pickup and a low G. And it's a good solid instrument. I would do this design over again. Spruce and cherry. It's just really nice. Got plenty of cherry. I'd be happy to do it again for somebody. Number 907. Cheers.